Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the most compressed shirt I think I've ever seen by Hardaddy here. And I love getting these shirts, like when they come compressed like that. I guess they can fit 1 million of them on a cargo ship, but then as soon as you open it up, it becomes a decent sized shirt. So if I can just fluff it out a little bit here, this is what the shirt looks like. It's obviously, I think it's navy blue. Yep, navy blue, and I got size large. And this is a nice long sleeve shirt with a couple of buttons and a pocket on it. And you can see the stitching, so it's slightly visible on that one there. Let me see what it's made of here. So here we have it's made of 70% polyester, 25% cotton, and 5% elastane. And so let me open up a button or two here on the top, and I will try this on for you. So this is what it looks like without me on it. And then I will put it on right now. So, there we go. So it feels good. It's kind of got a little bit of a stretchy feel and a somewhat tight-ish, style of it. And it looks like it wants to stay closed up here rather versus a open one there. So I may wear it with another button done. Let me see. There we go. And let's see, the sleeves are a good length. They're good. It's kind of got a really soft feel. I don't know, you guys probably can't tell too much from looking at it, but it's really soft. I don't know why it's so soft, but I guess it's just what it's made of. It's like ridiculously soft, and it's got some stretch to it, so if I did go out to eat and ate a couple of mountains of food, I could still fit in it. And it's good, it's good. I mean, it just came, I just unpacked it and it's already wrinkle free for the most part because it just expanded out. So it's really nice, and you can see all the stitching on it and stuff. So it's one of those ones where you see all that. So it's got the different style and look. If you like this look, I do like it. And this is what it looks like on me. So once I lose a few pounds, it'll be a lot looser. But right now, it even fits good. I mean, there's no real tightness on this. So it's really good, nice long sleeve shirt. So getting myself ready for the cool weather coming up. So thumbs up for me.